Welcome to the English Tea Podcast, your cozy corner for brewing up knowledge about the English language. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. And today we're poring over some absolutely essential English phrases you'll need if you're navigating the exciting worlds of AI and remote work. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, mastering these phrases will definitely give you a significant edge.
That's right, Alex. In today's digital landscape, effective communication isn't just a nice to have, it's the cornerstone of success. And when you're working remotely, often across different time zones and cultures, crystal clear language becomes even more paramount.
Absolutely. For our friends in AI, you're not just building incredible models, you're explaining complex concepts, collaborating with diverse teams, and presenting your groundbreaking findings. And for anyone in a remote role, clear, concise, and professional communication is the very glue that holds your distributed team together.
So, grab your favorite cuppa, get comfortable, and let's steep ourselves in some powerful phrases that will transform your professional interactions. Let's get started. Acing the remote and AI interview.
All right, Sarah, let's start where it all begins for many of us, the interview. This is your chance to make a stellar first impression, and using the right language is absolutely crucial.
Precisely. My first must know phrase is I'm passionate about leveraging AI to solve real world problems. This isn't just I like AI, it shows purpose. You can easily adapt it, of course. I'm passionate about building seamless user experiences, or I'm passionate about optimizing remote team workflows.
Excellent. Another good one is my experience aligns well with the requirements for this role, particularly in mention specific skill or area, e.g., natural language processing or project management software. Be specific. Show how you're a good fit. Don't just say it.
And don't forget to ask thoughtful questions. Try, could you elaborate on the team's collaborative process? It demonstrates your proactive nature.
Especially for tech roles, you want to convey adaptability. So, I'm adept at learning new technologies quickly, as demonstrated by, give a brief example. For remote work, this might be adapting to new communication platforms.
And, of course, highlight your strengths. My greatest strength lies in my ability to mention a key strength, e.g., distill complex technical information into actionable insights, or manage multiple projects simultaneously. Keep it concise and relevant.
And finally, show your thinking strategically. What are the biggest challenges currently facing the team or project, and how do you envision this role contributing to overcoming them? This signals you're a problem solver.
And for any remote role, it's vital to convey self sufficiency. I'm highly self motivated and thrive in environments where autonomy is encouraged. It tells them you can manage your own time effectively.
Remember, practice these out loud. They'll make you sound confident and completely prepared.
Daily brew, communication and collaboration.
Now, let's move beyond the interview to your day-to-day interactions. These phrases are truly the backbone of smooth communication, especially when you're not sharing a physical office space.
And for constructive feedback, try, I'd like to propose a different approach for this. It's solution oriented.
When scheduling, be precise. Let's sync up on this tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. PST. Always specify the time zone.
Manage expectations with, I'll circle back with an update by end of day. It shows commitment.
To ensure everyone's on the same page, especially after a virtual meeting, to ensure we're on the same page, let me quickly summarize the action items.
Show you're a team player. I'm happy to help out with, mention a task if needed. This is especially valuable remotely.
Don't be afraid to ask for help. I've encountered a blocker with, mention an issue. Can anyone offer some insights? It's crucial for problem solving.
Acknowledge feedback gracefully. Thanks for the detailed feedback. I'll incorporate these changes.
And always communicate your availability. Just a quick heads up, I'll be offline for an hour for a doctor's appointment.
Lastly, for complex issues, let's schedule a dedicated call to discuss this in more detail. Sometimes written communication just isn't enough.
AI and remote project management, specialized SIPs.
Now, let's get a bit more technical, specifically for AI development and remote project management.
For our AI enthusiasts, we need to refine the dataset to improve model accuracy. Refine and improve model accuracy are common terms.
And if your model isn't quite right, the model is currently overfitting, so we'll need to adjust the regularization parameters.
To evaluate your AI's predictions, what's the current confidence score for this prediction?
Embrace continuous improvement with, let's iterate on this feature based on user feedback. Iterate is a fundamental concept.
When discussing performance, be precise. We're looking at a 15% performance improvement after deploying the new algorithm.
For agile remote teams, the sprint goal for this week is to deliver a deployable prototype of the recommendation engine.
Critical for project planning. Are there any dependencies we need to consider before proceeding?
And for collaborative coding, it's a must. We need to ensure proper version control for our code base.
Don't forget documentation. Let's document the architectural decisions for future reference.
And for managing timelines, what's the estimated time of completion for this task? Poring over professional etiquette and networking.
Beyond the direct work, how you present yourself professionally and build your network is equally important.
After a virtual event, it was a pleasure connecting with you at the virtual conference. Always be specific about where you met.
Offer your expertise. I'd be happy to share my insights on if that's helpful.
A classic polite closing. Thank you for your time and consideration.
And show appreciation, especially with global teams. I appreciate your flexibility regarding the meeting time.
And there you have it, a comprehensive teapot full of English phrases designed to elevate your game in the worlds of AI and remote work.
Remember, it's not just about knowing these phrases, but about understanding when and how to use them effectively. Practice them, integrate them into your vocabulary, and watch your confidence and communication skills truly blossom.
The remote and AI landscapes are constantly evolving, and so too should your communication. By mastering these phrases, you're not just speaking English, you're speaking the language of innovation, collaboration, and success.
Thank you for joining us on the English Tea podcast today. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with anyone who could benefit. You can find more of our episodes wherever you get your podcasts.
Until next time, keep brewing up new knowledge, and we'll see you for the next cup.